morning, I'm Sue, and welcome to week 8 of Bits and Pieces. This week we're going to be using 9 different colors, so this is why it's important that you marked the names of the colors of wool with the scraps if you're working with our bundle. So 4 of them are new colors, and I think 5 of them are colors from a previous month. So they're listed on your sheet, and the ones with the stars are the ones that are from month 1. So you'll do a different center for each, and then I did a surround in different colors, and love how they worked out, and I particularly like the stitching on them as well. So you'll cut your center, it's like a log cabin, and then you will cut the first round in one color and the second round in the other. And the sizes are all on your sheet. So make sure that you sew them together, press your seams open, and then at the end make sure that they're all sewn across here with a back stitch. Otherwise, just do a little tacking stitch like I suggested along the edge here so they don't come undone. So with these, what I used actually was our 1/2-inch rulers. And I marked, so I just marked diagonally across here and then across the center, and then I just came and in the center 1/2 inch all the way around, and then I did the same on this so that I got 2 squares. And here I just started here in the center and worked in the actual center of the strips like that. And so I did that with number 3, Easy 17, and I love the way that looks. I hope you do too. So pretty fun, work with some fun colors this month, and yeah, have fun. So we are at the end of the second set of blocks. So right now, the number 3 bundle is up on our website for those of you that are following along with the same colors, and also the little thread pack. So if you're on track and need to have your bundle in time for week 9, please pop over to the website and order that. So if you're having fun with all this, please like and subscribe, and I will see you back next week for block number 9. Gosh, 9 already. So I'm enjoying it, and I hope you are too.